We are here in Sharchi with the Arthalai group, and it seems really awesome to be here. You can look around the valley, how beautiful it is. The mountains, the ice, everything. We have traveled all the way up there and we strolled there in the ice yesterday. That was a really good experience. And the village is a kind of remote village. I think they have told me it is the last village of the Tirthan Valley. Maybe there is some another village which has quite a few inhabitants than this village. The kind of expectation that a traveler has is really good with the group and with the location as well. You can see there is no commercialization as whatsoever, and everything is as serene as you want it to be. And I believe that is the best experience, not to go to a commercial place like Manali or anywhere else where you can find some crowd hanging around and lots and lots of people. And you can find some solace within you. That is the best thing I have experienced with Arthalai. And the basic of their culture, basic of their things that they revolve around, the criteria that they revolve around is really good. To go to some place, have some encouragement with the environment as well, with the people, the simplicity that they have is really absolutely undefining. You can see I had a dog here there right now. I don't know where it went, but you can see if you go to plains, the dogs bark like anything, the people bark like anything, but the silence that these people have, you just experience them and you carry within yourself for quite a good time. For at least 2 to 3 months you believe in yourself that you have come to such a place that has given your soul something better that you can carry within yourself and you can tell others also. I am really thankful to Arthalai for giving me such a pleasurable journey. Thanks a lot.